Hello guys, welcome to the channel Delta Sir. Today in this lesson we will learn about how to animate objects on path. We have three options to animate anything on path. I'll teach you all three options one by one. Okay guys, so this is my Illustrator file. I have a long background. I have layered all the objects. This is my background and these are the cars. Okay guys, let's go to After Effects. Creating a new project. Now I am importing my Illustrator file, importing it as composition, retain layer size. So I have all my objects here. This is the long background as well. Okay guys, so I am extending my canvas as per this background image. Control K, making it 4200 and aligning the background. तो गाइस पोजीशन और रोटेशन पे मैं की दे देता हूँ और 6 सेकंड पे मैं अपनी कार को आगे लेके आता हूँ सबसे, ठीक है। फिर रोटेशन वैल्यू 0 होनी चाहिए मेरी एंड फर्स्ट फ्रेम पे भी रोटेशन वैल्यू 0. आई थिंक दिस स्पीड इज़ वेरी स्लो. आई एम मेकिंग इट ऑन 4 seconds. Now I'll place these cars on multiple different positions. This car here and I'll rotate this position. So now मुझे अब अपनी कार की पोजीशन किसी एक लेन में लेके जानी है, either on the left or on the right. So what I'll do is I'll go on the first frame or any of the key, select the position and move. You will see all keys are moving simultaneously. So I am placing it here on this position. So you see the car is here. Now I want this car to be here. So at this point I am placing position and rotation key. After 4-5 frame I am moving this car here. Now moving the position here and then next 4-5 frames and again moving the position. Then after taking this, I am placing another keys. Coming to this touch. And now at the end, it will be here. Now I'll add animation on all other taxis as well. So I am selecting taxi and passenger car, clicking on position, and making them animate slowly. Now getting this one car. So this way we have animated a car. Now I want some rotation and arc in this path. So if you see, wherever you see these circular dots, this means there is a frame. So this is a constant animation where no ease in and ease out is visible. Now if you see, this curve is very robotic. This is straight and then straight. So I want some curve here. What I'll do is I'll go into the pen tool, convert vertex tool, and I'll add some. And if I want to animate this individually, I'll press Alt till here this car will be like this. Now I have animated all these cars. Now I'll select all keys, press Alt, and if you see, I can increase the timing, either increase or decrease the time. Now let's see. The speed is a little bit slow. Now if you see the timing, the gap between these keys, so I think this. So whenever you are doing this, select rotation key as well. To make this animation constant, ensure that the gap between these two keys are almost same. Okay guys, now selecting this key. So I think this is fine. I'll reduce the little bit. This is fine, I think. Now between these two, if you see, there is so much gap, so I'll increase some frame here. I am reducing some frames. And here I am increasing some force. So let's see. Now I have to adjust the rotation because I have changed the animation in position. So the rotation should start from here. Now let's see the animation. I'm making this a little bit fast. Now I'm making this last frame as F9 here. So it will stop with this. So this is the one way of animating a card. Now I am taking this as a duplicate layer, and in this layer I am removing all my animation. Okay guys. So now on this layer I'll teach you how to animate on path with option 2. So do not select any layer. Take this pen tool and now create the first pen. I have created a path on this layer. Now I am removing this fill. We keep only the path. Now go to this content, shape. Now select this path and press Ctrl C1. And now go to the rash car 2 position and press Ctrl V. Now if you see, this car has taken the position. Let's show. The speed is a little bit fast, so you can select all these frames, press Alt and make it 7 seconds. Now you will need to place rotation as per your path, and even if you want to change the path positions or something, alter the path, you can do it easily. Now the third way. I am another taking a duplicate layer of this car. I am renaming it Wave 1, Wave 2 and Wave 3. Since the third way, I am deleting the previous keys. Now go to the Illustrator. So I have taken a layer number 10. I am taking pen tool and then draw paths with anything. Either you can take the line tool, pencil tool, pen tool, anything. Now I am creating a path like this way. And do not keep this in fill color, make it outline. So this is our path. I am selecting this, copying, Ctrl C, and now going to After Effects and go to frame 1. Select position and press Ctrl V. So if you see, this car is path. Now what's happened is the path is smaller. It's not as per the so because I have created a smaller path. If I could have created a longer path, it will be animated that way. So this is the third way of animating a path. Okay guys, now do some coin animation, falling a coin, ball animation through these keys only. And if you find any difficulty, comment me. Now there is a bonus in this class. So this is a long timeline. You cannot export it. So what I'll do is I create a 1920 format and import this track by here. Now if you see, I'm aligning it to the right. So if you see this animation, this car is going out of the frame. I want this car to be remain in the frame and background to be moved out. So I am going into the position. This car animation was approximately 7 seconds. So I am moving the background on this car to be this way. Now if you see, and I also want when car comes in the center of the screen, then this background should start moving. If you are unable to identify the frame, the movement of the car due to some complex project, you can go inside this layer and see the last frame. This is 522 into the 525. So this was the last. Now I am giving it F and F9. So the camera should stop slowly and should start slowly. So this way you can animate it a pen shot, and if you want you can check on this blur here as well as on this car, because this is moving fast, so we are switching. You will see a little blur in this car. Now I'll add some secondary animation just to improve the scene. You should always do the secondary animation in a video, so it should not take a long time, but blinking, opacity, frequency, highest. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any doubt, you can comment on this video and I'll reply you within few hours. Thanks for watching.